Hi there. Welcome to this crucial lecture. We will be covering the fundamental identity types and authentication methods in Microsoft 365. This knowledge is essential for anyone managing user accounts and authentication in the cloud. This serves as a basic introduction to the module, and as we progress, we will delve deeper into this topic, equipping you with the necessary understanding and skills. There are two different types of identity in Microsoft 365: cloud-only and hybrid. Whichever type of identity is best for you and your users, it's important to understand the practical implications. At a minimum, you'll be assigning a user account name and a password that Microsoft 365 can validate itself or have validated on its behalf by an identity provider. Your Microsoft 365 subscription includes a Microsoft Entra ID with an Entra tenant, which has its own list of user accounts. These accounts and their properties are used by Microsoft 365 services, such as Office 365, Microsoft Intune, and other SaaS apps. This knowledge is not just theoretical, but practical, as it's crucial for authentication, licensing, and authorization. Cloud-only identity. User accounts and passwords are stored only in Microsoft Entra ID. This is the best choice when all user accounts are cloud-based. When users sign into Microsoft 365, they will be authenticated by using Entra ID. Creating and managing your user account is done with tools such as the Microsoft 365 Admin Center or a Microsoft Entra Admin Center, Microsoft PowerShell, or PowerShell Graph. With hybrid identity, user accounts are, stored both on-premises in Active Directory Domain Services, ADDS, and in a Microsoft Entra ID tenant. So, Windows Active Directory Domain Services is like the original and authoritative source for user accounts, and Entra ID is a synchronized set for user accounts, essentially a copy of the accounts in Windows Active Directory services. Hybrid identity allows you to use your on-premises accounts for access to Microsoft 365 resources. Microsoft Entra Connect or Entra Cloud Sync tools running on an on-premises server sort of synchronize the accounts from ADDS to Microsoft Entra ID tenant. These user accounts only flow from ADDS to Microsoft Entra ID tenant. Accounts created in Microsoft Entra do not get synchronized with ADDS. With hybrid identity, you must maintain user accounts in your ADDS using ADDS tools such as the Active Directory Administration Center or Microsoft PowerShell. Let's have a look at hybrid identity authentication. There are different ways to set up hybrid identity authentication. There is managed authentication, in which Microsoft Entra ID handles the authentication process for user sign-in, and federated authentication, in which the authentication process is, redirected to another identity provider, such as ADFS. With managed authentication, there are, two different options. The first type is password hash synchronization, or PHS, in which tools like Entra Connect or Cloud Sync synchronize a hash of a hash version of user account passwords. With PHS, Entra ID performs the authentication of user credentials because it can verify both the user account name and password. The second type of managed authentication is pass-through authentication, or PTA. In this method, using tools such as Entra ID Connect or Cloud Sync synchronize the accounts but, without hashed passwords. For PTA, Azure Entra ID, with the help of an Entra ID agent running on-premises, sort of passes authentication credentials to ADDS, which performs the validation. With federated authentication, the accounts in Entra ID do not have hashed passwords. Rather, Entra ID, redirects users to an ADFS, a federated authentication infrastructure that uses ADDS to perform the authentication.